Wait! Imagine you own a business. You've spent months designing a product, manufacturing it, shipping it around the world, displaying it in beautiful stores. But it doesn't sell. Now you have three choices: sell it at a discount, donate it, or destroy it. Most businesses would choose the first two. Some of the world's biggest luxury brands chose the third. In 2018, one of the world's most famous fashion houses admitted that it had destroyed the equivalent of about $37 million worth of unsold products. Not because they were damaged, not because they were unsafe, simply because they didn't sell. And somehow, at the time, many people inside the industry saw it as smart business. How could burning perfectly good products ever make financial sense? Today, we're going to find the missing dollar. If you've watched our Costco episode, you already know Costco wins by making products feel like incredible bargains. Luxury brands play almost the opposite game. For most stores, an unsold product is a problem. Lower the price, run a sale, clear the shelves. Luxury brands see something else. To them, a discount can create an even bigger problem. Because in luxury, the price isn't just attached to the product. Sometimes, the price is part of the product. Clue 1. The strange power of an expensive price tag. Imagine two handbags. They look almost identical, made from similar leather, beautiful craftsmanship. One costs $300. The other costs $3,000. Now imagine the expensive one suddenly appears in a clearance bin for $300. Most businesses would celebrate. Luxury brands would panic. Why? Because they weren't only selling a handbag, they were selling a feeling. The feeling that owning it was rare, exclusive, difficult to get. Economists actually have a name for this. It's called the Veblen Effect. Most products become less attractive as prices rise, but certain luxury products can become more desirable because the high price itself signals status and exclusivity. Lower the price too much, and that signal begins to disappear. The product hasn't changed, but the story people tell themselves about owning it has. Luxury brands aren't just protecting a handbag, they're protecting the idea that not everyone can have one. Clue 2. Following the money. So, was this really about protecting luxury, or was something else going on? Some people say companies destroy products because it's better for taxes. It sounds believable, but when you dig deeper, that explanation starts falling apart. Tax experts generally point out that deductions are usually based on what a product costs to make, not the luxury price printed on the tag. So if taxes weren't the real reason, what was? This brings us back to 2018. Burberry revealed that it had destroyed around $37 million worth of unsold clothing, accessories, and perfume. Part of that involved a fragrance licensing agreement ending, but much of it was simply unsold inventory. And Burberry wasn't alone. Other luxury companies had quietly done similar things for years. It had become one of fashion's worst-kept secrets. Because once luxury products start showing up everywhere at deep discounts, customers begin asking a dangerous question. Was it ever worth the original price? That's the question luxury brands spend billions trying to avoid. Clue 3. When the rules changed. Then something unexpected happened. People found out. The public reaction was fierce. Destroying perfectly usable products suddenly looked less like smart business and more like unnecessary waste. Governments started paying attention. In 2020, France became one of the first countries to ban the destruction of many unsold, non-food consumer goods altogether. Luxury brands had to adapt. Instead of asking, how do we get rid of unsold products? They started asking, how do we make fewer products nobody wants? Some began producing smaller collections. Others partnered with trusted resale platforms. Many became much more careful about matching supply with demand. The goal hadn't changed: protect exclusivity. Only the strategy had. So, where was the missing dollar? It wasn't hiding in the leather, or the stitching, or the perfume bottle. It was hiding inside perception. For luxury brands, the price isn't just describing value, it's helping create it. A luxury handbag doesn't lose value only because it costs less. It loses value if people stop believing it's special. Burning products was never really about destroying inventory. It was about protecting an idea. The idea that rarity creates desire, and that desire creates value. And that's the missing dollar. The next time you walk past a luxury boutique and wonder why everything still costs so much, even months after it first arrived, you'll know there's a lot more being protected than the product itself. Because behind almost every industry, there's a hidden business strategy most people never notice. And every week, we uncover another one. I'll see you at the next case.